Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like the content which I post every single day. And remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. We post everything for free and to help people make an extra income doing paid online surveys. And also we do crypto airdrops. And after this video, I'm going to make another video for the latest airdrop opportunity which is available in the market. But today's video is about instantly paying survey apps, and I have several of them which I want to show them to you guys. And I'm going to start with the first one, which is Prime Opinion. Prime Opinion, they have a website and also they have an app. And if you have an Android device or an Apple or an iOS device, Prime Opinion is a very good choice. Remember, the rules for working Prime Opinion are the same. Use a good residential proxy or SOX 5 proxy. If you're using a mobile device, you can use the apps to connect you to Prime Opinion, like Kitsunebi, SOX Droid app, where you can be able to put your IP setups and you're good to go. So Prime Opinion is a very good app for doing paid online surveys and getting paid instantly. And also they require one-time number verification, and also one-time number verification, and the payment is instant. So you can read all through what they do. They offer various means of redemption. They provide Amazon, PayPal, and so much more. So this video is just listing out the apps which pay instantly. First one is Prime Opinion. Of course, the second one is 5 surveys, because remember, 5 surveys and Prime Opinion are owned by the same people. So they have the same redemption option, the same registration options, and the same verification option. So they require one-time number verification depending on your country. They support many countries. So once you register an account, you see whether your country is supported or not. But redemption is instant, and they pay using PayPal. They can send directly to your bank account, and so many. They also offer redemption in gift cards from Visa, Amazon, and so much further. So check them out. The next app is called Gaintplay. They ask for one-time number verification, and if they suspect an issue activity in your account, they might ask you to upload your selfie to confirm your identity. But generally, they are very good. They can pay in PayPal, you can get rewarded in cryptocurrency, and so many other payment options. And they are very, very good. So whichever country IP you're using, make sure that you're not using a rotating IP. Make sure your country IP is static. And do not have any issue working on Gaintplay. And also all these paying survey apps, they really favor people using Apple devices, our iOS devices. Most of the Android devices are marked spam, so you might be having a good country IP, but you just end up being banned because most of the survey sites don't work well on Android devices. They mostly favor people working on Apple devices, iOS devices. So although I did not say that Android devices don't work, but it's preferably iOS devices are very good with the survey apps. The next one is called Qmee. Qmee, depending with your country, they require verified PayPal for your specific country. If your country is Kenya, make sure you use a Kenyan verified PayPal to cash out from Qmee. If you're using a USA account, make sure you have a USA verified PayPal for that particular account. So, because you have to link your PayPal to your Qmee account. Also, sometimes they ask for number verification, sometimes they don't. It all depends on the quality of your country IP. And they offer payment options in PayPal, and they offer instant payment. Also Gaintplay offer instant payment. Also Qmee offer instant payment. Another one is called Freecash. This is the most highest paying survey app in the market at the moment, together with Swagbucks. But advantages of Freecash, they offer instant payment of your redemptions. And so nowadays, when you started working on Freecash, they were not asking for any form of verification, but they later came on to ask for number verification. Right now, they are asking even for ID verification if they see unusual activities in your account. So you can register on Freecash, check whether your country is supported, and make sure you have a static IP of a particular country. Your country IP doesn't keep on changing, because we have some internet service providers in some countries whose IP keep on changing from time to time. After every few minutes it changes. So in whichever country you are, make sure you pick an IP, an internet service provider whose IP does not keep on changing. So they offer many redemption options. They can pay you in PayPal, Visa card, and so many other form of cards here. So once you register an account, you can check them out and see the many rewards option that they offer. The payment is instant, and they offer, apart from doing surveys, you can earn by playing games, completing offers, and so much task. Freecash is another name for Freecash is called a GPT site. Yeah, they pay you to complete task. Then my last instant paying survey app is called AttaPoll. AttaPoll, this one, they support you can download them from iOS device on App Store, and also on Android using the Google Play. So remember all those apps which I've listed here, from Prime Opinion, 5 Surveys, Gaintplay, Qmee, Freecash, and AttaPoll. They are all available in Apple App Store. So check them out and use them. And another tip for working on survey apps: always, if you have an iOS device or an Apple device, you are at an advantage. They favor people working on iPhone devices. That's what I mean by Apple devices, iPhone. If you have an iPhone or an iOS device like a MacBook or Mac Pro, this one, they are going to favor you in avoiding getting unnecessary bans, because most of the Android devices end up being banned. But that doesn't say that they don't work on Android devices. It's just a precaution for that. So guys, be sure to check all my 5 of my how many 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are my best 6 paying survey sites. They can help you to get an instant, to boost your income from your normal job that you do daily. Remember, surveys cannot make you rich, but they can always boost your income. So guys, be sure to check out all the 6 instant paying survey apps, which I've listed them here one by one, and be sure to try them out and give me the feedback. Thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.